Going break even. Just been slapped fucking come on, bro. 1.5k. Left the club. Okay, okay. It's AJ. That's fucked. Wait. Come on. Oh, wire's broken out, yeah, fuck.
What, on the cellar?
I'm gonna give it a sec. I'm gonna wait for a retracement, wait for a pullback. If it gives it, if it pushes again, alright, I'm in. I'm on a buy. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh yeah, hold on, G.
How can you say?
Man's getting contact right now, Chen.
How many contracts can you say that you've done?
Yo, bro, I don't know. Fucking chill. Yo, come on, we're at target 1. About to hit 1 to 2. About to hit. There we go. We're up $1,000. Going break even. Alright, there we go. Got a little bit more of a push. Go for a 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Just been slapped. Fucking come on, bro. 1.5k. I'm still in the trade, yeah?
Are you staying in?
I'm done. I've hit my fucking target for the day. Jeez. Yeah?
Come on, G.
Yeah, come on, Shad. Done a fucking backflip for that one. It's still recording, bro. I film as a backflip. Come on, 1 to 3, boys.
Fucking belly flop,
bro, you just fucking belly flopped, you know.
Fucking hell, that hurt.
Shit. Bro, we're in a fucking Blue Lagoon.
True.
Just fucking past bare 50k fundage. Mental. All in one clip.
You were there rolling. You were there rolling. You were there rolling.
Oh, lucky. Busy day, yeah?
Yeah, busy.
Busy day, yeah. Do you have any idea where any brothels or anything are?
Sorry?
Do you have any idea where there's any brothels? No. Any prostitutes?
I don't know.
What else is there to do in Malta besides that? Alright, I'm not done. What do you like to say? That's funny. Alright boys, welcome. Oh shit! Oh shit! What we're gonna fucking
I was just about to say, it's bare peaceful up here.
Can I see your mum again?
Hi, I'm in the fucking sky. Hi, it's a kite. Look at me fly.
Wait, oh shit.
Whoa. I think we'd probably die from here, you know.
Bro, from here? Oh, bro, don't even talk to me about that. We fucking be gone, bro. Mad.
Fucking Jesus on water.
Jesus on water, innit? Yeah.
You're about 18, 19 years.
Yeah? You ain't got a bad jump of you?
Wow.
How's it going?
How's it going, son? Check the fucking flavors. What's he saying, bro? Go on, mate, get it down here. Get it down here. Oh, right there. Fucking good. Jeez. Mad team. Mad that. My God! Man didn't say it. Man's fully here, bro.
What are you doing here? Chilling, dude. I went Cafe Del Mar, what were you running all about?
Bro.
What are you doing here? Oh my God.
Bro, when we got to Cafe Del Mar, he was there, but he couldn't get in.
Bro, I was meant to come to on and booked a flight for this afternoon. Did you know about
Yeah, the whole time. The whole time.
That's why I was saying all that dumb shit.
Is that when you rang me?
Yeah, and that's why I was like, oh, your holiday looks shit and all that. Because I knew I was coming.
Man's blanking it.
We're off to St. Julian's.
That's
Bro! Oh my fucking God! Oh my God! Wait, that makes sense. Why today you've been there? What the fuck?
Is this your bed?
no, honestly.
What the fuck?
Oh, say let's go. Watch what he's, yeah.
Oh, that's why he's so sweet.
Yeah. Nice. Imagine, bro, not striving or wanting to ever get in a position where you can just go do this shit when you want. Imagine actually thinking like that and being okay with just doing it 7 days every now and again.
That's what we were just saying. Like everyone,
fucking faggots.
Everyone in their 20s, they did whatever they wanted, and now they're suffering by doing a 9 to 5 for the next 20, 30 years. And we just grafted for the last 5 years. Still not where we need to be, but we're now able to do these things whenever we want.
Facts.
6 o'clock. And every morning you'd see the sun rise.
Can you imagine?
Come then.
G. Okay, thank you, brother.
Follow me, follow me.
Nice. Wash. With a shot. We just wipe the fucking table with this thing. Fire. Cheers. Hey, dickhead. Oi, who's this nonce? Fuck it. Fuck it. We're in the bottom, Steve. In the fucking...
Amos.
What are you saying, G? What are you saying, G? What are you saying, brother? Yeah, bruv. Hey, Bro, whoa! How good of a fucking night though, G? You know, it's like 5 o'clock right now in the morning.
Fucking laid right here, dead.
Dead.
Somehow I'm here.
Fucking jumping in the sea with your bollocks out.
Where are my fucking boxes?
Bruv, you launched them in the sea, bruv. You literally launched your boxes in the sea. They're gone, bruv. CK's floating. Yo, we got fucking that thing out of Star Wars. Yo, that's fucking Jabba the Hutt that just walked past that. Hiya, boys. Fucking hell, bro. Yo, Dick. Here, we'll get a picture. You're loving it, you innit? Fucking hell. I think you're in it. Hey, what wonderful. Boys, yo, loving this shit, me, bro. See, this is the type of shit, boys, just turn your life into when you start making shit work. Come on. Oh my god, come on. You can't go until you get it. Oi! There you go, G. You ever see that? Is that a fucking lizard? Scanning a pizza?
Scanning mozzarella. Good taste, my boy.
Come on, mate. Eat it. That's mad, bro. I'm just out here. I feel like just gripping him and just lobbing him, bro, into the sea. Come on, G. Yeah, I'm in it, lad.